Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, there is nothing more annoying than trying to log into Amazon Music to enjoy your favorite tunes only to be greeted by a login failed error. Well, it usually means something is blocking the connection between the app and Amazon's servers. But don't worry, in most cases this is a quick fix. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you the most common reasons for login failures and how to get back into your account fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, before even going through all of this, check your internet connection. Make sure your device has an active internet connection. Try opening a website in your browser to confirm. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to basically data, or basically if you are on mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi. Also, verify your credentials. Make sure to double check that you are using the correct email and password. If you have Amazon accounts in different regions, for example, you have .com, .uk, .co, make sure you are using the correct one. Try logging in on a browser at amazon.com or music.amazon.com to confirm your password fully works. As a last resort, you have to reset your password. Tap Forgot My Password on the login screen, then follow the instructions. Send your email to reset your password, then try logging in again with the new password. Then check for account issues. Make sure your Amazon account is in good standing, no payment issues, no suspensions, no blocking. Then log into Amazon.com on a browser and check if there are any alerts about your account. Then you can basically update or install the app, and that's it. So, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.